Very good morning, student. This is Sonal Gedam from the chemistry department. Today we are going to start the syllabus topic for the physical chemistry third semester second year paper second, the thermodynamics second law. So first of all, in the first year you are already learned about the thermodynamic first law. In first law you learn about the basic terminology, system, surrounding, the basic processes, isochoric, isobaric, isothermal, adiabatic process, and some relationship between the heat and work, and also learn about the statement of the thermodynamic first law. But this thermodynamic first law which is suffered from the some limitation. So one by one we will see the thermodynamics limitation. So first one is what? From the relationship that is the thermodynamic first law, whenever the system absorb the heat, suppose this is the system and it is absorb the heat, the work will be produced. The work will be produced. So when the some amount of heat absorbed by the system, the work will be done. Work will be done. This is given by the thermodynamic first law. But the thermodynamic first law which does not give the idea about the direction of flow of heat. The direction of flow of heat. That is the whether the heat is going from the high temperature object to low temperature object, high temperature object to low temperature object. These things, that is the direction of flow of heat, which is does not given by the thermodynamic first law. So this is the first limitation of the thermodynamic first law. So second limitation is what? The energy of the isolated system is constant throughout the specified changes. Suppose this is the isolated system, and this is the changes occur. The energy of this system is constant throughout the processes, but whatever the changes occur in this isolated system, whether it is the spontaneous or not, which is not given by the thermodynamic first law. When the isolated system, the energy of the isolated system is constant throughout the processes, but the changes happen in the isolated system, whether it is spontaneous, अपने आप हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है, which is not told by the thermodynamic first law. Means ultimately this is not given the idea about the spontaneity of the reaction. This is the second limitation. So the next limitation, that is the very simple, that is the energy, the one form of energy which is converted equivalent another form of energy. But during these changes, some amount of energy is or the heat is lost. Heat is lost means the heat absorbed by the system which is not completely converted into work, this thing which is not again given by the thermodynamic first law. So there are the three basic limitations. The first one is what? The thermodynamic first law does not give the direction of the heat, whether it is from the higher temperature region to lower temperature region. And second one is what? The energy of the isolated system is constant throughout the specified change, but does not give the idea about the whether the process occur which is the spontaneous or not. That is the अपने आप हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है. This idea, that is the spontaneity of the reaction, which is not explained by the thermodynamic first law. And last limitation is what? One form of energy is converted into equivalent another form of energy, but during these changes some amount of energy lost by the system when heat is absorbed and it is lost, and which is not converted into 100% work. So this is all about the thermodynamic first law limitation, and because of these three limitations there is a need of the second law of thermodynamics. So second law of thermodynamics, which is give this some statement which is very simple statement. We will see the one by one. So the first statement is what? All the natural process are spontaneous. First statement is all the natural process are spontaneous. Second statement, all the natural process which is going from state of equilibrium. Third one, all the natural process which is leads to work. But remember here, the maximum work obtained by if the process is reversible like this. And the last one, which is very important, that is the heat absorbed by the system which is not 100% converted into work, the sum amount of heat lost during the reaction. So this is the basic statement of the thermodynamics second law. The first one is what? All the natural process which is occur in nature are the spontaneous. जो नेचर में जो प्रोसेसेस होती है वो अपने आप होती है. And second one is what? All these natural process which is going from the state of equilibrium, And third one is the what? The work is obtained by the all these natural process, but maximum work is obtained when the reaction is reversible. And last one, which is very important part of the thermodynamics second law, the what is this? The heat which is absorbed by this system. This heat absorbed by this system which is not 100% converted into work. The sum amount of energy lost. Some amount of energy is lost, and this is all about the thermodynamics second law, that is the thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics we are going to learn about that is the basic terminology and the state function. So the first state function is what? That is the entropy. So in previous PPT I showed there the entropy for the gases, entropy for the liquid, and entropy for the solid. So the basic point of entropy is what? The entropy measure the randomness and the disorder of the system. Randomness and the disorder of the system. So basically the entropy is denoted as S, and which measure the disorder and the randomness of the system. So now we are going to learn about this entropy. So from this entropy, the entropy of the universe is increases from the second law of thermodynamics, and from the first law of thermodynamics, the isolated energy of the isolated system is constant. So the first law of thermodynamics, which is related to conservation of energy, and the second law of thermodynamics, it is related to non-conservation of the entropy. So next we are going to discuss about the entropy units and the concept of entropy in details. We are moving toward the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.